And more details now on the earthquake swarm shaking an Oklahoma town. Those quakes have been linked to work being done by an oil and gas company. News 4's Caitlin Ogle is in El Reno, where some tell us they've been woken up by the tremors.
Fortunately, the earthquakes have been relatively small in size. Those who I talked to today describe them as feeling pretty strong. Others say they haven't felt a thing.
It made a boom sound and it shook my bed and my window shook. I thought it was falling off.
Earthquakes waking up El Reno residents near these oil and gas sites south of town.
I felt it a couple of days ago, I guess, but I slept through the last one.
Others News 4 talked to say they didn't feel a thing. But after several posts in a town Facebook group, many chiming in saying they felt something.
Every once in a while, I'll shake the whole house and like, whoa, anybody else feel that?
Matt Skinner with the Oklahoma Corporation Commission says the OCC was alerted to several small quakes near the El Reno airport, leaving a couple people with damage.
We have a magnitude 2.1, magnitude 1.3, magnitude 1.5. Anything under a 3 would probably not be felt. We are trying to mitigate felt earthquakes. Not all seismic activity.
He says researchers believe the quakes are linked to fracking at several well sites owned by the Houston-based company Paloma.
On Monday, we had them pause while we had a technical meeting with them and came up with a different plan to hopefully mitigate the risk of these quakes continuing.
He says Paloma is going to dial back the volume, pressure, and techniques they're using.
The completion process is going to be restricted to one well at a time, rather than multiple wells at a time.
In El Reno, Caitlin Ogle, Oklahoma's News 4.
And officials with Paloma tell us they are working with the Corporation Commission and will stagger their operation stages as well as cut back on the water used at each stage of the fracking process.